Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Mario and welcome to MP Tools and Build Part 5. Today I'm going to talk about measuring tape. And why? It's because my wife, she made me laugh. A few weeks ago she calls me at work and says that she wants new curtains for the bedroom. I said fine. And get home, take some measurements and we'll go buy them. And she said don't worry, I took the measurement already. Just call me when you're almost home. I'll meet you outside and we leave. We save some time. That's what I did. Picked her up, went to the store, picked up the curtain that she liked, and then I asked her what's the size so we could take it. She takes a piece of paper and she writes it's 48.5 plus 3 lines. Now, what's 48.5 plus 3 lines? No idea. She had no idea. The salesman comes up to me. She asks my wife, can I help you? My wife says yes. I would like this curtain in this color and the measurement is 38.5 and 3 lines. And he started laughing. He goes, hold on. So he started taking the measuring. He took off his measuring tape and he opened it up and he counted 1.5 and 3 lines. But while he was doing it, he was smiling. So my wife got home and she asked me to teach her how to use a measuring tape, and it is easy. The only thing there's two things you gotta know. Which measuring tape are you using? There are some measuring tapes they use 32 lines and some measurement are used 16 lines. Now those lines are gonna help you to measure, and it is so easy. Every line is 1/16 or 1/32 depending on what measuring tape you're using. So you continue with 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 7/16, 8/16, and so forth. And then you could use the common denominator to figure out what is the best way. For example, 8/16, the common denominator is 8. So right there, it's half. 14/16, the common denominator is 2. 14/16, the common denominator is 2. That is 7/8. And you continue so forth. And then the more you do, the easier it's going to become. If you know that half inch, it's 8/16. Then when you're measuring something and it's past 8, you could count 8, 9, 10, 16. And if it's less than 8, you could go 8, 7, 6, 16. And then you learn. It is that easy. And then there are some measuring tapes that's written on the 16 principle. And it's already 1/16, 2/16, 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, 4, and so forth. And I'll show you. I'll show on a piece of paper how easy it is. So stay with me. So here you go. This is measuring tape. So you have, this is 1/16, then 2/16, 3/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 7/16, then you have 8/16. So I'm going to stop there. And here you go. And you continue on 9/16, 16. So you know 1/16, this is going to be 1/8. That's the common denominator. So it's 1/16, 1/16, 1/8, 3/16. Then you get 4/16. 4/16, the common denominator of 4/16 is 4. So right here, 4/4 is a quarter. Then it's 5/16, 6/16. Then you have 7/16. Sorry for that. Then 8/16. 8/16, the common denominator is 8. So this one is a half inch. And then you continue 9, 16, 10, 16. It's that easy. And then you have some measuring tape. That have everything written down. If you see closely, it's 1/8, a quarter, 3/8, half inch, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. Then in between, it's the 16. So 5/8, it's 10/16, so that will be 11/16. Between 5/8 and 3/4, 11/16. And because you know that half inch is 8/16, you start counting 8, 9, 10, 11, 11/16. So that's how easy it is. It's easy. It's extremely easy. It took me a bit of time to do it myself, to learn it myself, but eventually it'll come second nature. Then you have some measuring tips that the first 1 foot is 32, but that's for precise. I really don't use that. I take the measuring tape and I start with a 5, a perfect line when it starts with the 16, and I continue measuring. There is something else that I found. It's not for my kind of hobbies. It's basically made for people that want to do some fast estimation on land or building a wall or trying to find out how many square feet it is. And it's this little thing. It's a laser measuring tape. I really can't tell you how much I paid it because there's 2 prices on this. One was on special for $49, and then it went back to special for $25. So the regular price, I have no idea, but it's from Bosch. And I bought it just for the kicks of it. I wanted to see if it really works. And I've tried it. It's off by 1/16, depending how far it is. So I'm going to do a little test with you, and you can decide whether or not, if you choose to buy it or not. Here we go. This out. Okay. From this piece of wood to this line, it's 33. Oops. I hope you can see that. It's 33 and 3/4. 33 and 3/4. So I hope you can see that. Now, I'm going to take this, put it on. There's a little red beam, and at the end has to be onto the line, to the wood. And it gives you 2 feet 9 inches and 7/8. 15/16. It's playing back and forth. So 2.5, 9/16. So we're gonna see what it gives you. 2 feet and 9 inches is 33. And it's at 7/16. Oops. 15/16. So 29, 15, 16. It's almost 34. It's a bit more than 3/4. So you're off by 1/8. So, like I said, it's not exactly precise, but it gives you a rough measurement. So if you want an exact measurement, that basically old-fashioned measuring tape is better than this one. There could be better ones out there, but this won't be something that I will use daily unless I decide to build myself a house, which won't happen. But it's handy. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you learn how to read the measuring tape. I hope you liked it. If you do, please press like. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Next weekend, I'm going to the Montreal Car Show. Hopefully there is some cars that I can share with you. So stay